And that's all you're about to get paid, buddy. Yeah, I'm going to lose. That's how you're going to get paid. Isn't that the idea? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I know I'm playing a game. I've been playing a game for 7 years now. Yeah, well, actually, keep going straight past the nature track. I'll tell you when we get. I'll tell you when to turn. I already know. I was talking to person on the phone.
What's in your ear?
What's in your ear? That's nothing.
Oh, I'm so sick of these people. Leave me alone. Every one of them. God, I'm about to fucking just. Ugh.
Your phone.
No, that's not an option.
That's not.
Never.
You should have 2 phones.
I do.
That's what you should have.
I definitely do.
You turn it into a camera. Yeah, right. I invented it. I use Alfred sometimes. Well, Alfred or there's others. I don't use them anymore, really. Hello? Yeah. Hey, you know that thing we were talking about earlier? Where when you start yelling and stuff, you know what I mean? Whenever I would, yeah. Whenever I called you that one time, you started yelling and shit like that in my ear. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yes. That's appreciated. Thank you. Right on the other side of this little thing, turn left. Yep. Did we just hear a police? No. Okay. Huh? That's it. Oh, yeah, I definitely need to hear shit like that. Turn left. Yeah. We'll go to. Do you know what? Hey, lady on the phone. I heard what you said 3 times. You're right. I like your theater. Yeah, but they're playing like fucking, they're playing my Bon Voyage, anthem. Yep. On E Street. Alright, well, what you paying attention? Alright. Yeah. Yeah, that one's a little bit freaky. Yep, I already know. Mm-hmm. What if there's like 85 people in town you don't want to see? Everywhere. And at the gas station. Yeah, I know. Oh, my one position. That's right. Fucking kidding me? You are, yeah, well, you're